Today's defense news, the 27th of January 25. Let's look at the highlights. Raksha Mantri flags off SANJAY, the battlefield surveillance system from New Delhi. Solar Industries arm commits 12,700 crores for the Nagpur Defence and Aerospace hub. NAL to partner with industry to develop technology demonstrator for active RCS reduction systems. Maharashtra signs 4.9 lakh crore rupees Memorandum of Understanding at Davos. Directorate General of Shipping and Center for Development of Advanced Computing sign umbrella MOU to drive maritime innovation. Sagar Defence and Flowcopter partner for a green revolution in autonomous heavy lift drones. MDL to build largest floating dry dock at Nhava Islands. DroneAcharya announces strategic merger with AVPL. Indonesia may manufacture certain components of BrahMos system under the TOT clauses of the $450 million deal with India. Indonesian delegation to visit India to follow up on defense cooperation agreement. Navy boosts MiG-29K combat capability with 250 km strike range Rampage missile. Hindustan Aeronautics to begin licensed production of AL-55I engines for HJT training aircrafts. MDLI's role in Indonesia's Scorpion submarine production. DRDO's Agni Prime to enhance India's strategic mobility with Rail Mobile MRBM. Rolls-Royce wins $11 billion UK nuclear submarine contract. The news in detail. Raksha Mantri flagged off SANJAY, the battlefield surveillance system BSS, from New Delhi on 24th of January. SANJAY is an automated system which integrates the inputs from all ground and aerial battlefield sensors, processing them to confirm their veracity, preventing duplication and fusing them to produce common surveillance picture of the battlefield over secured army data network and satellite communication network. It will enhance battlefield transparency and transform the future battlefield through a centralized web application which will provide inputs to command and army headquarters and the Indian Army Decision Support System. The BSS is equipped with state-of-the-art sensors and cutting-edge analytics. It will monitor the vast land borders, prevent intrusions, assess situations with unparalleled accuracy, and prove to be a force multiplier in intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. This would enable commanders to operate in both conventional and sub-conventional operations in a network-centric environment. The Economic Explosives Limited (EEL) has committed to a substantial investment of 12,700 crore rupees for the establishment of a major defense and aerospace project in Nagpur. This agreement was formalized during the World Economic Forum in Davos on 22nd of January, and it aims to enhance India's capabilities in critical defense sectors, including the production of drones, UAVs, and military transport aircrafts. The 12,700 crore rupee investment will focus on expanding production capabilities for various defense products, including the counter-drone systems and the next-generation explosives. The Maharashtra government will facilitate necessary permissions and provide fiscal incentives to ensure the smooth execution of this project under state policies. The National Aerospace Laboratories (NAL) is collaborating with industry partners to develop a technology demonstrator for active radar cross-section reduction systems. This initiative aims to enhance stealth capabilities in aerospace applications, particularly for military aircraft. Active RCS reduction involves employing advanced techniques to minimize the radar visibility of an object, making it harder for enemy radar systems to detect and track. The methods can be categorized into several key approaches. The first one is active cancellation. This technique uses antennas to emit signals that interfere with incoming radar waves, effectively cancelling out the reflected signals. Systems may utilize digital radio frequency memory and phased array technology to analyze and generate the necessary signals for effective cancellation. The second one is the radar absorbing materials. These materials are designed to absorb radar waves rather than reflect them. NAL has developed various forms of RAM, including flexible sheets and coatings that can be applied to aircraft surfaces, significantly reducing their radar signatures across multiple frequency ranges. The third one is the meta surfaces. Recent developments have focused on using meta surfaces, engineered materials that manipulate electromagnetic waves to achieve both passive and active RCS reduction. These surfaces can dynamically adjust their properties in response to radar signals, enhancing their effectiveness over a broader bandwidth. Maharashtra has made significant strides in attracting investment during the World Economic Forum 2025 in Davos, signing a total of 20 Memorandum of Understandings valued at 4.9 lakh crores on 22nd of January. This initiative is expected to generate over 92,000 jobs across various sectors, including defense, renewable energy, steel, and infrastructure. The JSW Group signed a landmark MOU committing 3 lakh crore rupees towards sectors such as steel manufacturing, renewable energy, electric vehicles, and infrastructure. This investment is projected to create 10,000 jobs in Maharashtra. The other notable agreements include the Wari Energies Limited committed 30,000 crore rupees for solar energy projects expected to create around 7,500 jobs. The Blackstone Panchsheel Realty plans to invest 25,000 crores in data centers within the Mumbai metropolitan region. The Kalyani Group investing 52,000 crores in defense and EV sectors, generating about 4,000 jobs. The Directorate General of Shipping and the Center for Development and Advanced Computing, the CDAC under METI, signed an umbrella memorandum of understanding. This partnership aligns with DGS's vision of being a globally recognized and progressive maritime administration. By integrating CDAC's expertise in high performance computing, cybersecurity, blockchain, and e governance, the collaboration aims to digitalization and automation of maritime processes, maritime data analytics and predictive modeling, cybersecurity and maritime IoT, maritime education and training, research and development in maritime technologies. This MOU embodies a progressive vision for tackling challenges and leveraging opportunities in the maritime sector through technology, collaboration, and innovation. It establishes a strong foundation for building a sustainable and advanced maritime ecosystem in India. Sagar Defence Engineering and Flowcopter have partnered to develop sustainable autonomous heavy lift drones. The collaboration combines Sagar Defence's system control and design expertise with Flowcopter's power transmission technology. The drones aim to transform personal air mobility, air taxis, medical evacuation, and disaster relief. Mazgon Docks is constructing the country's largest floating dry dock at Nhava Islands near Mumbai. The initiative is part of a 5,000 crore expansion plan to help undertake large-size ship orders. The rupees 475 crore contract to construct the floating dry dock, measuring 180 meters in length, 44 meters in width, and 19.5 meters in height, has been awarded to Shaft Shipyard Private Limited. Mazgon Docks reportedly plans to invest over 1,000 crore rupees in the 40-acre Nhava facility. The investment covers jetty development, facility for holding the vessel, dredging, and other associated works. The floating dry dock is being built in 6 blocks, which will be towed to the Nhava jetty of Mazgon Docks for assembling and launching. The dry dock is so high it cannot be built as a single piece. 4 of the 6 blocks have been completed at Shaft Shipyard's Bharuch facility in Gujarat, while the remaining 2 are under construction. These blocks are expected to reach the Nhava jetty by March. The Nhava facility is expected to become operational by the year end with a capacity to dock vessels weighing up to 12,800 tons. It will support the construction of large ships, including next generation destroyers and repair vessels, and can handle up to 8 ships simultaneously. In a separate development, Mazagon Docks plans to build a combined shipbuilding and repair facility on a 15-acre plot adjacent to its current yard, leased from the Mumbai Port Authority. The company intends to construct a graving dry dock measuring approximately 180 meters in length and 60 meters in width, along with ancillary facilities capable of supporting both shipbuilding and repairs. Currently, its existing yard accommodates 11 submarines and 10 warships simultaneously. DroneAcharya Aerial Innovations has signed a term sheet with AVPL International to establish a JV aimed at enhancing drone manufacturing capabilities in India. DroneAcharya has signed a term sheet with AVPL, while it has also approved the adoption of an employee stock option plan to boost employee engagement and align their interests with organizational goals. This collaboration aims to leverage the expertise of both parties to develop advanced drones for various applications, including agriculture, surveillance, and logistics. According to sources, the two companies have proposed the name AVPL DroneAcharya for the merged entity. AVPL, owned by AITMC Ventures, operates in 12 states with 50 global incubation and skill hubs and 20 world incubation and skill hubs focused on drones and agriculture. The company offers drone training, drone as a service, drone manufacturing, and agri input retail outlets across India. AITMC Ventures recorded 95% growth in the operating revenue during the previous financial year, while its profits surged to 8.84 crores during the same period. India is poised to finalize a significant defense agreement with Indonesia as the Indonesian Ministry of Defense has formally expressed its intention to acquire the BrahMos supersonic cruise missile system. According to sources, a letter of intent has been conveyed to the Indian Embassy in Jakarta outlining a potential deal valued at $450 million. This agreement marks a major milestone not only for its substantial financial value but also for the inclusion of a transfer of technology provision, a first for the BrahMos missile system. A key highlight of this deal is the incorporation of a transfer of technology clause, which will enable Indonesia to undertake domestic production of certain BrahMos components in the future. Also, the Indonesian President, His Excellency Prabowo Subianto, announced the intention to send a high-level defense delegation to India following the ratification of a bilateral defense cooperation agreement. This move aims to bolster defense ties between the two countries and is part of a broader strategy to enhance collaboration in various sectors, including maritime security, counterterrorism, and cybersecurity. Indian Navy has enhanced the strike capability of the MiG-29K fighter aircraft with the induction of the Rampage air-to-ground missile, which can hit targets as far as 250 kilometers. The missile was successfully restored by the Navy this month, according to officials. The induction of the air-to-ground Rampage missiles has further enhanced the firepower of Indian fighter jets. It has a longer range than the Spice 2000 used in the Balakot airstrike in 2019. The Rampage, known as the High-Speed Drag Mark II missile, has been developed by Israel. In recent times, Israel has used it to attack important military installations of Iran. The Navy has also recently conducted a successful test trial of indigenously developed air-droppable container with a 150 kilo payload capacity on 22nd of January. The UK government has awarded Rolls-Royce a significant contract valued at approximately $11 billion for the design and manufacture of nuclear reactors to power its submarine fleet. The 8-year contract, known as the Unity, aims to enhance Royal Navy's nuclear capabilities. Rolls-Royce will not only design and manufacture the reactors, but will also provide ongoing support services for these nuclear systems. That's the news for today. We hope you enjoy the news. Please do subscribe to our channel and do give us your feedback. Thank you and have a great week ahead.